May I have your attention, please? CoRail requests that you assist us in providing for your safety. We ask you to watch your step when boarding and leaving the train, and be cautious about finger entrapment when using doors on the train. Your carry-on luggage should be safely stored in the overhead compartment, and please take extra care of your children. In case of emergency, use the emergency intercom outside the cabin or directly report to the onboard crew member. For the comfort and convenience of all passengers, we ask you to keep your cell phone on vibrate and talk in a normal voice outside the cabin. Please remain quiet and refrain from any behaviors causing discomfort to other passengers. And make sure you inform your children about train etiquette. Smoking is prohibited on the entire train, including toilets. We appreciate your cooperation for clean and pleasant travel.